Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Craft and Boost. So today we're going to learn about basics of measurement. So let me just begin with this is our scoreboard. So our scoreboard's got a measurement division of 1/8 inches. These are the different rulers that I've been using. So the division here also is on the basis of 1/8 measurement, and first let me teach you what an 1/8 inch measurement is, and then I'll show you how to read these rulers. So let's get started. So for a 1 inch, this is our first paper. So let's say this is 1 inches. Okay, so from point A to point B is our 1 inch. Now for our second sheet, from point A to point B is 1 inch for us. Okay, so from point A to point B is our 1 inch. Now for our second sheet, from point A to point B is 1 inch for us. If we just divide this into half, so this is half, which is also known as 0.5 inches. So this is first half and this is the second half. Now further, if we take one step ahead, this is a third sheet. So point A to point B was 1 inches in total. Now we know half is in half inch. Now let's just divide the first half, point A to the first half, into another half. So this is 1/4. This is 1/4, and point half to point B into another. So this is 1/4 and 1/4. So this is, so we're dividing 1 inches into 4 different quarters. So first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and the fourth quarter. So in any videos or any tutorials, if you find a 0.25 saying, so you know it's just the quarter. So for a fourth one, so point A to point B was 1 inches. Now we'll also do a quick revision. So if you remember, on our second sheet we had divided it into half, correct? And on our third sheet we learned about quarters. So this is our quarter. So this is first quarter, 1/4, second quarter, this is the third quarter, this is the fourth quarter. So now let's divide this quarter into half. So the first quarter into half, the second quarter into half, third quarter into half, and the fourth quarter into half. So now we're left with 1 1/8, 2 2/8, 3 3/8. So this is the 2/8, this is the 3/8 mark, this is the 4/8, this is the 5/8, this is the 6/8, this is the 7/8, and this is the 8/8. We left with 1 1/8, 2 2/8, 3 3/8. So this is the 2/8, this is the 3/8 mark, this is the 4/8, this is the 5/8, this is the 6/8, this is the 7/8, and this is the 8/8. Correct? So let me just show you how to read your scoreboard. If you see very closely, so on a VR memory keeper scoreboard, it's all written, but on a different scoreboard it's generally not written. So if you see, so this is 0 to 1. The bigger measurement here is an ½ inch. Then we divide the half, it's a quarter. This is the second quarter, this is the third quarter, and this is the fourth quarter, that is the first. So let's read the 1/8. So this is 1/1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8. 4/8 is also your ½ inches. 5/8, 6/8, 7/8 and 8/8. 8 is your complete first inch. Similarly, on a ruler, the darker line if you can see is your half, and then how you read it further. Same goes with your other ruler. So this is your 1 inch. The first darker line and right in the center is your half, and you proceed it further. So if you have any doubt in this reading, you can always comment below. Do subscribe for our channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.